Hey ladies, how you doing? So yes, I have a wig review and I'm excited about it because this is a new company. I never tried them before. So it's always good to try something new and see what else others have to offer. This particular company is called Ebony Line. I'm not sure if you heard of it before. I haven't, so I was kind of excited. So thank you for sponsoring the video, Ebony Line. I'm very, very grateful. So the wig I'm going to be reviewing today is Outre Swiss lace front wig. Ooh, I almost hit myself in the face. This wig right here. I'm excited. Before we get into the actual wig, I just want you to know that the package did come priority mail. So it came pretty quick. Once everything was done, it was here like right away. So this particular wig here, this is a lace front wig. I'm just trying to read off what I see, pretty much on the package. It's a 4x4 lace, pre-plucked Swiss lace, and you can hot curl it with your curling iron up to 400 Fahrenheit. So that's pretty steep. I do have a 1B. So now we know what we're looking at. We're looking at a pre-plucked unit and we have a 4x4 lace. So we should have a lot of wiggle room when it comes to the actual lace. I want to get a 1B. I want to keep it really simple because, I know a lot of people that watch my videos, we do work like I do. And, we want to wear things that we want to see things that we can pretty much wear to work, things like that. Or we could wear on the weekend and, pretty much jazz it up just a tad bit. So it's a very long wig. This style is called Risa. So let's open her up and see what's going on. So as normal, you have your stock card, and on your stock card it has step-by-step care instructions and step-by-step instructions on how to actually put the wig on if you want to use tape or glue or things like that. So it lets you know all that good stuff. So this wig is in here nice and tight. Nice and tight. Okay. And back here is some more instructions. Let me let you know. More instructions. Just letting you know. A Swiss lace silk base. I guess the closure piece is pre-plucked. So the edges, what I'm going to be looking for when I see pre-plucked, that means that the edge is going to be really smooth. So if you want to pull it back in the actual ponytail, it should be effortless. Because if it's pre-plucked, it's going to be nice and smooth across the hairline. Hand-tied lace, multi-directional parting, style and versatility, realistic, natural looking, comfortable wear, easy maintenance. So we like those claims, so we have to make sure this wig actually performs in this manner, right? So let's get into it. It's silky, but yet it has a tad bit texture in it. I do like the flow of it. I do like this. I like that. Don't you like that? It's very nice. It's very seamless. Let's get it off. Yeah, I'm feeling the lace, and the lace feels soft. It doesn't feel hard. It feels good. Because, sometimes you get a unit or a wig, however you want to categorize it. The actual lace on the wig can be hard, and you can feel it scratching your hairline and things like that. So let's get into it. We got normal. Let's turn it over. Normal wig cap construction. Nothing to run home about. And I guess they're calling this the silk base. This looks like a little bit of material that's pretty much over the lace. So I don't know if it's a trick. I don't know, but oh, I think with the silk base, I haven't had a silk base in so long, in regards to unit wigs like this. I guess it helps with the actual parting to make it look more natural. So it kind of mimics the way of if you was to put a wig cap on underneath, or if you want to bleach your knots, or if you want to wear a stocking cap underneath. This here alleviates the process of doing any of those three. So, okay, we'll take it. We'll take it for now. Okay, let's look at the hairline. The hairline is smooth. I don't see the whole pre-plucked situation. I do see where it's a little bit thinner, that you have, where you can kind of see through a little bit, but I don't see the pre-plucked. I can pretty much, it's just a straight hairline going all the way across, as you can see. So the pre-plucked thing, that's not there. Is it smooth? Is it going back? It's going back smooth, but however, if it was pre-plucked, it would be a little bit more staggered hairline. How, you know, some normal hairlines go. Some people do have full hairlines, which look like, you know, look like that, but I don't. I don't. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to cut the lace off, and I'm going to put this wig on. I have to take this one off because this is the actual lace front, so I have to do my work. Y'all, this is super cute. This is that wig. The only thing I'm going to get right into what I don't like about the wig, and I'm going to give all the good stuff. And this, what I'm getting ready to complain about, is nothing major because in due time, it will fix itself. And it could be the way I have my braids in right now. Because normally I don't have this issue. Right up in here, it's a little puffy because my braids are going all back versus I usually have a middle part and my braids going down like this. So it usually gives me a little bit more fullness in here with my braids because my braids are thick. And it makes the wig kind of fill out. So right now, it's like, it's so smooth. Look, and I have a little head. So you can see how smooth this unit is. And then, let me pull it up a little bit. It blends right in really naturally, seamless, no issues. I just like this. It's so soft. I mean, it feels like a wig that I've made. It feels so good. It looks good. And it's not like a high luster at all. You know how some units have like a major high luster. Like in the camera, it might give a little bit of shine. But let me tell you something. In this mirror right here, it looks good. I'm just not kind of feeling the front area right here. And I don't want to pull it too much up because then it's like it's taken away from my forehead and it's looking kind of funny right up in there. But for the most part, this is a beautiful wig. Oh my God. It's just, look how it just flows. I'm going to leave all the information down below about this wig. It just feels so good. I mean, I brushed it out. This is all the hair I got when I brushed it out. Not much at all. You know, regular shedding, you know, when you get a new unit, you got to brush it out. You got to get all the, you know, the extra hairs that didn't get attached to the thread and it comes out. Not a big deal. You know, that's not a big deal. But however, and you can even put layers in this depending on how you cut it. It will stay because you can see it's kind of like a little nice bump down here. And the hair flows. See, it's supposed to go like this. Isn't this pretty? Whew. Whew. I like it. I don't know about you, but I like it. It's nice and soft. It's good for, you know, the ladies that like to wear a longer length. Don't mind it on a daily or even on a weekend or maybe a special occasion and you just want to look a little snazzy. This is really, really cute. Let me just get up. So for me, it comes down to right at the breast line. So this is probably about an 18, 20, give or take. Because that's usually where 18 falls on me. Because 16 comes like right around here then below. But yes, this looks great. I like it. What do you guys think? Leave your comments down below. I'm going to leave all the information down below about this unit, where you can get it from, how you can get it, all that good fast shipping. This wig is super cute. So, I want to say hey to all my new subscribers. Hey to all my loyals. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.